The product of the numbers in each row and in each column is the same for all rows and columns. What's the value of A, B, C, D? All right, so if you notice in this column here, all the numbers are given. And if you multiply those together, you get 6 times square root 6. So we know that's got to be the product for everything. 6 square root 6. I'm going to change colors now. So if you look at this row, what do I need to multiply 2 square root 3 by? Because it's being multiplied by 1 to give me 6 square root 6. Well, that's got to give me a 3 square root 2 because that was going to give you a 6 square root 6. So that's done. All right, now what? Okay, look at this column. Right now, the product is 3 square root 6. 3 square root 2 times 3 square root 2 times square root 3. You multiply the numbers on the outside, so that's going to give me a 3 on the outside and square root 6. And I want that product to be this, so I need to multiply that by 2. Because then you get 6 square root 6. So that means this is going to be 2. Now let's do this row here. So far I have 2 square root 6, but I need for it to be 6 square root 6. So this needs to be a 3. And I think that leaves me this column. So far I've got 6 square root 3. And I need for it to be 6 square root 6. I need to multiply that by square root 2. So what is A? A is 3 square root 2. B is 2. C is 3. And D is square root 2. So what is that? This times this gives me 6 square root of 2 times a 3 times a square root 2. And 6 times 3 is 18 square root of 2 times a square root 2. And square root 2 times square root 2 is 2. So 18 times 2, which is 36.